Scholastic events are an extension of the classroom, and that lessons are best learned when proper respect is accorded to all. Please let your good sportsmanship show as you watch tonight's game. This is a semi-final round contest between the visiting Felix Varela Vipers and the home team Coral Reef Barracudas. Let's meet the teams. First, for Varela, with a record of 12 wins, 5 losses, and no ties. First, the non-starters. Number 17, Brian Campero. Number 29, John Canaveral. Number 14, Miguel Coria. Number 26, Mateo Cruz. Number 15, Julian Gigante. Number 12, Brian Okoro. Number 27, Luis Peralta. 00, Michael Rios. Number 22, Tosta Alexander. And number 16, Santiago Valiente. Now for the starters. Number 20, Kevin Acevedo. Number 25, Fernando Alves de Oliveira. Number 11, John Diaz. Number 24, Dominic Dudley. Number 10, Daniel Foen. Number 18, Juan Garruti. Number 6, Adrian Gonzalez. Number 1, Juan Grimaldo. Number 8, Kevin Pisolo. Number 3, Luis Romero. And number 5, Christian Santillan. Head coach, Juan Monge.
¡Vamos, Varela!
With a record of 15, 4, and 3.